What's this do? It opens the garage. Can I press it? Absolutely not. Why not? Something bad will happen if it opens when we're not home. We're way too far away for it to work. They're gonna get in. Who's gonna get in? We gotta get home fast. It's probably not even open. That garage is open. Let's all go inside. We don't have much time. It's not a big deal. It's nice in here. We're never leaving. It's open. They're home. What do we do? Get out of my house. This is our house now. You see what you did? Do they live with us now?